Hey, this is a good example of what happens after the snowstorm. This was a junction box that was supported by two, looks like PVC raceways, which would also have to comply with Article 314 as it relates to that type of support. This is the lighting fixture at a driveway entrance into a coffee shop. I find this all the time everywhere that I go after the snowfall and the snow melts. It's probable that it'll happen in many other locations. I found light poles partially knocked over. I find this a lot around hotels and parking lots and any area where there's a likely chance of somebody using a snow plow or a shovel. And it's really a problem because no doubt that these circuit conductors are or could be energized. This is not vandalism, it's damage. The code makes it clear that we are to protect our installations from physical damage. I imagine that after I have an opportunity to go back to this site, I may find it repaired, but in some cases I find that it stays like this more often. And it's, in my opinion, reason to be concerned. My name is Joe Tedesco. I'm an NEC consultant with Electrical Construction and Maintenance Magazine, and I write all of those articles for Code Catastrophes, Code Watch, and What's Wrong Here. You can contact me, and if there's any comments or any questions that you have, I'd be happy to try to answer them.